Development activities support your objectives. They help you meet your objectives so that you can achieve your goals. At this point in your digital IDP, you should have at least one goal, and underneath that goal have at least one objective. Underneath the objectives is where the activities are. Activities support your learning objectives and tell you how you're going to achieve them. You can add a new activity by clicking the button, and the form will appear. The first field asks you to describe the type of activity that you're going to do. The reason for this is there's lots of different ways to get information, skills, and abilities besides going to training. You could get a coach or a mentor, join a learning group or a community of practice, do self-development by reading a book, joining a professional organization, or doing computer learning. Do a shadow assignment in which you follow somebody around while they do a job or task or function. You can do a special assignment, detail, committee, or collateral duty. And lastly, you can go to a training or a conference. Once you figure out the type of learning you're going to get, you can be more specific. So in this case, we're going to have a data coach. Next, it asks for the estimate of how much time you think it's going to take. Is this a matter of hours, days, weeks, or months? By having a time frame, it helps you and your supervisor understand what the requirements are for the learning. How do you know you're successful? This is a real important step that we often miss. Success isn't having read the book on flying airplanes. Success is being able to fly an airplane. Lastly, we're going to want a status indicator on this: draft, active, completed, or dropped. Then save. My goal is to improve my current role as an instructional designer. My objective is to be able to manipulate data in Excel to create data maps and predictive analytics. In order to accomplish that, I'm going to need a data coach. Once you've entered a development activity to support your objective, you can either add more activities, add more objectives, or go ahead and work on a completely different goal. So my IDP is set. Now all I have to do is print it up.